Hey everybody, we're back for another one for you and you and you and me. So today, what are we gonna do today? We're doing a fast one today. They never lined up sharp, but I tried. We got 7-Eleven today. 7-Eleven. We're in chicken heaven today, and we have chicken wings. They got them like this isn't going to work too good. This ain't going to work at all. Falling out everywhere. Okay, let me get these out right. These two are spicy. You can tell that. And these two are the barbecue. It doesn't have a lot of barbecue sauce on it. No, that's buffalo. Spicy and buffalo. That's enough out. Let's see, for right now. Take these apart like that. Put this there. Okay, we got chicken wings. We got spicy and buffalo. And we have some of the ranch dressing. Ranch. And these are 10 pieces for $5. $5 just for you, just for you, and just for you. So, did I say it? They're just falling out everywhere. That was a hell of a container. Well, you can't always get what you want. But if you try sometime, you get what you need. Everything's a mess up here. Okay, so what are we going to do? Hello, everybody. Hello, Piggy. Hello, Ellie. How you doing? Well, my Piggy voice isn't really there today. And, uh-oh. I knew this was going to happen. He's going to start sniffing stuff. Get away from that food! That's mine! Get away from that food! Okay, enough of that. Chicken wings. These are spicy, and these are buffalo. From 7-Eleven. Which ones do you want to try first? I have nothing to drink here. So, we're going to try the buffalo ones first. See what we got. Well, you seem kind of old. That's good. That's a good one, that's a bad one. Got a good one and we got a bad one. Yeah. Okay. So, the buffalo are kind of hot. Really buffalo tasting. And, kind of good. Kind of good. Kind of good for you. Okay. Let's try it with a little bit of the sauce here. But I said it was ranch. Ranch sauce. That is good ranch. You used to get these free. They charge you 50 cents now for these things. Oh well. Can't always get what you want, but if you tried. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Where am I at? Oh, it's joke time. Today's joke kind of goes with the theme of the show. It was sent in by my most favorite person in the world, Kelly. And she has like a riddle joke, or no, it's not a riddle joke. Riddle joke. It goes, what does an egg say to boiling water? What does an egg say to boiling water? You gotta give me a minute to get hard. I just came out of that chick. You gotta give me a minute to get hard. I just came out of that chick. I gotta get a minute to get hard. I just came out of that chick. Kelly, that could get me thrown out the air. Not me. You know how crazy this show is. Anyway, that was good. That was a good joke, Kelly. Here's your laugh for being such a good joke. Okay, we're going to keep on plugging here and do the, those buffalo. This is the spicy. They call this the spicy ones. Didn't know what kind of spice it was. Those are good. Got like a habanero on it. A habanero. It's really good. That is really, really hot. That's good. Got a little chicken. A little chick. That is good sauce. Better than the free stuff they used to have, or 50 cents. Okay, starting to drift here. Let's see. No new messages since I just talked to you yesterday. It's hotter than shit out there today. Let's see. I don't have anything else to say, but this is the Crazy Tasty Food Review Show. Thanks, Kelly, for the joke. Thanks, everybody, for watching, and for all you people that came. You, and you, and you, and you. And when you leave, make sure you put your refuge in the, your trash, in the container provided on the way out. So, that's going to be it for today. See you again for another exciting one. Joshua will be coming back, I'm sure. He pops up every 2 or 3 shows. So, besides that, that'll say, but this is the Crazy Tasty Food Review Show. Bye. Bye. 2 goodbyes. 2 of them today.